Hey guys, this is David, and this time I want to show you something different than usual. As you can see, a drawing of a bird, and for that I'm using markers and pencils as I always do, so I hope you enjoy it. I have the sketch here and I'm gonna start adding the first layers of markers on the face, the top of the head, neck and chest, and right after I'm gonna use the pencils to add details on the face, beak, eyes, some light and shadows, and also use the fine liner pen for some tiny details if necessary. Drawing birds of any kind, it's not really complicated. The only part you might have some problem is when you're gonna draw the feathers. They might look hard at first, but after you learn the basic, you won't have problems. As you can see, I'm doing one by one after doing the gaps between each one of them, and then adding some highlights with white pencil and white gel pen. You can also use a paintbrush to smudge it. As you saw before, this is the reference picture I'm using, and I'm not gonna try to make it look exactly like in the picture, otherwise that would take me way longer. I'm just doing the basic here to show you the process, but as I said before, if you have enough patience, you can make something extremely realistic. So this is it guys, I really hope you liked it. If you want to practice, you can try to draw this bird here and try to do something better than I just did, or you can draw any other kind, it's up to you. Thank you so much for watching.